In this video, I'm going to show you how you can receive update for Microsoft apps in Windows Update on your computer. Now, if you have a Windows 10 or 11 computer and you are not receiving update for your Microsoft apps in Windows Update, it is because you haven't enabled the option to receive update for your Microsoft apps in the settings menu. What you need to do is left click on the Windows icon and type settings. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Then click on Windows Update, click on Advanced Options, and simply select this option. Receive updates for other Microsoft products. Get Microsoft Office and other updates together with Windows Updates. Simply click on the setting to enable it. Now that the feature has been enabled, what you need to do now is restart your computer. To restart your computer, simply left click on the Windows icon, click on the power button, click on restart. Once your computer has been fully restarted, go back to settings, Windows Update, and click on check for update. Computer should have now detect your Microsoft apps and start downloading the updates for your Microsoft apps. This tutorial was helpful. Please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this one. This is Recive Technology and I will be seeing you on the next video. Have a good day.